When I was really little as a kid, I ran around a pub playground with a pint glass of Coke in my hand and jumped off a climbing frame. Ever since then, I've had a lump there, right in my lip. And trust me, it very quickly teaches you not to jump off climbing frames. One year, I went to Download Music Festival, in which I was enjoying the whole experience, so much so that I didn't wear any sun cream. Ooh, that burnt a little bit. One time, I decided to get my PC repaired by a company that was a bit of a PC world-based environment. Safe to say that didn't pan out too well. Other times, I have learned with a little bit of practice, your cooking skills can get better, or if you focus on the right things, things can make you smile, even if you are a ladybird. Now, these are things that you learn through experience. Imagine if you could learn what to do and what not to do to grow your YouTube channel. Well, you can. It's called the vidiq channel audit tool. Now, I like this feature so much and use it so often that I could describe what it does while just standing in a field. Basically, what it does is it will have a look at your channel over the last 30, 60, 90 days. It will pull together all of the information you need without you having to jump through all of the YouTube analytics and all of that guff, right? And it will tell you what videos did really well, what videos didn't do really well. So, in other words, it will tell you, have a look at these. These are your YouTube family things that give you more joy. These are your sunburn and PC repair experiences. More importantly, it will split it down into very specific things. So if I want more subscribers, I can have a look at the videos that seem to convert more subscribers. Go and have a look at those videos and learn from my lesson there. Or if there's something that gives me more watch time and I need more watch time, then I can go and have a look at those videos and I can figure out what those videos did. Are they long tutorials? Are they frequently asked questions? Are they top 10 tips, or are they more personal? Because once you're armed with this information, once you learn that sun cream is important, once you learn how to boil a soft egg so you can have dippy eggs and soldiers and it's perfect, then you're not going to go back to burning them again, Alan. Now, the best thing about this, well, the church tolls, is that you can get this channel audit tool for free if you go to vidiq.com/Alan Spicer. In fact, there's even a 20% discount if you use my code for any paid upgrades. And then you just install the extension with 2 simple clicks, right? Click to add it to your browser, click to log in, and then poof, you are done. And then you have full access to absolutely everything, including the daily ideas tool. There's a video here on how you can use that.